केरळांतल्यान आयिल्ले नुस्तेमार भाव वासडी दर्याच्या वातावरणा खातीर रस्तो भटकल्यात। ते गोंयांत पावल्यात। मनीसपणाच्या नात्यान तांकां मदत दितले, डिझल राशना खातीर आदार दितले म्हण बार्जधनी संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष रेमंड डिसा उलयला। RDX गोवा खातीर कुठ्ठाळेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
16 boats are there. The 16 boats, totally the population is 187 people are there. They are not having the necessary like as drinking water, food supply, everything is finished. For the rough weather, they are sail here on some August 5th. But they don't know the language and all this thing. They don't know anybody is in here. So what happened? Ultimately, yesterday we come to know these people are here and we are done for the thing. Immediately we arrange the food for them and the water source we are arranged. And we approach our local MLA. She also give them very good support to us. So till today, the situation is very better. They are having the food and they have the sufficient water, and we are helping. The all local support also we are very much, and local people also supporting. So this is very nice because the natural calamities we are helping the people from all over the area, not only from the Goa. So Goan people also liking into they are come forward to help these people. It's very nice. They are coming from some boats are coming from Kerala, some are coming from the part of border of the Tamil Nadu and Kerala border. These people are basically they are going to the Kerala border for the fishing, but for the rough weather they cannot where they want to achieve, they cannot able to achieve that area. That is the big problem for them. And here basically the language is the big problem for them because mostly the people are not much more educated to communicate English or Hindi or so whatever is there, because normally the south people are not having the much more Hindi and all of this thing. So this is the problem for them. Unfortunately, yesterday they put a live video on Facebook. So that time we come to know these people are here from past 10 days, but they are not able to contact anybody and they are suffering because the Kerala situation also very bad. They are trying to help seeing from the fisheries department Kerala, but there the situation is very bad. They are not able to help because of the flood.
त्याला मोड जाला आणि त्यांना किती जाता आमचे पासून बोटी असतात, सो आम शेल्टरा हुंय भितर सोदता. इट इज नॉट दॅट ओनली वी हॅव टू गो टू अ होम पोर्ट. आम हुंयच्या पोर्टा भितर सोदता फॉर शेल्टर, आणि जेन्ना दुसरी बोटी शेल्टरा भितर येतात तेन्ना आमचं कांयच जायना आसा ऑन ह्युमॅनिटेटरी ग्राउंड्स टू गिव देम वॉटर, रेशन दिवपाचे आणि जायते रिक्वायरमेंट्स तेंगे कितें आहाय ते दिवपाचे. सो ह्यो बोटी येयल्याय त्यो शेल्टरा येयल्याय आणि तांकां आतां उदका अरेंजमेंट केला, तेच भाशेन डिझलाचोय अरेंजमेंट करताय आणि रेशनाचोय अरेंजमेंट करताय तेंगेलो.